Welcome. In front of me is a MEIZU M8, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into fastboot mode. Now to get started, you want to hold the power key and select power off. And once the device is off, hold power key and volume up till you see the super faint writing of fastboot mode in the bottom left corner of the screen. So let's start right now. Power and volume down. And there we go. You can see it barely right here. So right now we are in fastboot mode, and that's basically all you need to do to boot into it. And to leave this mode, simply hold the power key once more till you see the fastboot disappear from the screen. There we go. And I believe the device boots up, on its own, so we don't have to do anything extra. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.